This introductory video will show you how to respond to existing requests that may have been entered into HP Trim. We're using the Respond in Trim wizard, and you can see at this point that we've actually asked to respond to existing records. Click Next, and we're going to respond to the authors. I'm going to do a search. I'm going to do a search in my due tray. In my due tray I do have two records here that actually need to be responded to. The template I'm going to use is, from my list of templates here, is going to be my budget sheet. I'm going to create a PDF. I'm not going to print the document, although if there's no email available I could print the document out, and I'm not going to edit the document. I am going to email it, and I'm going to use the standard email, and I am going to include some attachments. The attachments are simply added by selecting them inside Trim, and I'm going to save it as a document record type. I'm going to use current user as the author for the records created in Trim, and I'm going to put them in the container of the target record. I'm also going to relate them to the original record, and because we're doing a respond, I'm going to leave it as a re. I'm just going to press finish now. Respond has started to process now, and you can see that it's dealing with the two requests and that it has actually now completed and sent the email out. If I go into Outlook and do a send and receive, you will see the two responses I received here. The responses are sent to Connor, and you can see Connor is an external person, includes the attachments as attachments, but Rhoda here uses a TR5, and the TR5 would take you directly into Trim and show you the records. If we go back here, we can also see that the information was merged, and we currently have the record number included in that, and that the information was also merged into the email. That's how to do a quick respond and respond in Trim. You can see after we've done a date registered search inside Trim for today that the two records that we've just created have been catalogued inside Trim. We can see that they are emails. You can now see that the information has been stored inside Trim, and that the records have been stored as VMBX standard Trim emails. Connor was an external person, but inside our email message we've stored the attachments this time, and again if we view those we can see those attachments inside Trim. The records have also been related to their original record, and we can see those two are related, and if we have a look inside the container for those, you'll also see that the records are in the same container as the two requests that we originally wanted to respond to. We've completed all the information management that is required, and we've stored the information in Trim successfully. We've also responded, we've emailed out to the people, we've done all the things that you will in responding to outside requests. Thank you very much.